Understanding the rainbow effect in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, the rainbow effect. This term is not just colorful but carries interesting meanings and uses in different contexts. Let's dive in and understand what makes this phrase as captivating as a real rainbow. The rainbow effect literally refers to the visual phenomenon where light is split into various colors, creating a rainbow. This occurs naturally when sunlight passes through water droplets in the atmosphere. In a broader sense, this term can be used to describe any situation where a spectrum of colors is displayed, resembling a rainbow. Metaphorically, the rainbow effect is employed to describe situations where a variety of elements come together to create a beautiful or harmonious outcome. For example, a team with diverse skills might be said to have a rainbow effect, due to the combination of different talents leading to success. In the fields of science and technology, the rainbow effect can have specific meanings. For instance, in optics, it refers to the dispersion of light through prisms or other mediums. In digital projection and photography, it might describe an artifact where colors separate, much like a rainbow. Socioculturally, the rainbow effect often symbolizes diversity and inclusion. This usage is prevalent in discussions about multicultural societies, where the blend of various cultures and backgrounds is celebrated, much like the diverse colors of a rainbow. I hope this video helped you understand the multifaceted nature of the rainbow effect in English. This phrase is a wonderful example of how language can capture the beauty and complexity of our world. Remember, whether it's in nature, society, or technology, the rainbow effect is all about the magic that happens when diverse elements come together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.